as long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seith Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV. And for today's video is special because your Ninong here in SM will go for a gadget center that called is Cyberzone. So madi-discover natin na anong service in a rare shoot na ating madi-discover sa serbisyo on how the gadget can serve the student or the consumer in the gadget, in the appliances na ginagamit ng mga millennial. So, naalala nyo yung vlog ko ng Liliog na Makinarya, na-cover ko yung SM Cyberzone, no? So, me and Baby Princess will visit a Cyberzone here in SM Supermall. With your Ninong, nasa ibang dimension nga ko. I'm here in SM Store kasi may isinasagawang event doon, kaya dito muna ako nag-cover. Medyo mas malakas ang kanilang sound effect or their event rather. So the title of our vlog today is special guest, my sister. So meron kaming check upin na phone gadget, and the title, by the way, ito kasi si sister biglang Gate crash. Ang ating title is Let's Learn and Let's Play in Cyberzone. So this is being part of SM Video Vlog Special. At ito na naman si Bunny. Ano ba yan? Bunny ba yan? Ito na yung mga wala sa isa. So I will present it to you a special vlog in discovering the gadgets and the phone that the millennial people is using in the cyber. Ginawa mo ng beauty section tong vlog ko, oy. Sige. Discover the phone gadgets that SM Cyberzone have. So, ayan yung aking rare documentary vlogs na na-discover dito sa ating Cyberzone. We have the phones, the gadgets, and some of the tablet, and some of the technology. So, talagang makabago na talaga. Wala na yung mga PSP, yung mga ganyan, mga Nintendo. Iba na yung edition nila. But anyway, one of the latest gadget that you can discover is more on touch. Uy, na naman yan. Hi, princess. Ito, kanina pa ito. What you discover in the So what did you discover, BB, in the cyber zone? The gadgets of the phone. What did you observe?
Observe, I didn't observe.
Di ba nandun ka kanina?
Yeah?
Oh, did you see a phones?
Yeah,
Oh, what you will say to the cyber zone gadgets?
I think they're very beautiful and I really wished one, but my sister already gave her her tablet, so now she already has a new phone.
Yeah, we discovered some of the gadget. The phone, the tablets, that is talagang ang ganda-ganda, nagliliyab sa ganda. At nga pala, because I'm Henry Tessie.
And guys, I just got new slime.
Oh, may slime. Oo, ito na si sister.
Slime!
Okay. Oh, ano yan? So, for the next episode is our donation. We donate a broken gadget. That is a part of CSR of SM Cyber Zone. That your gadget, your charger will be recycled and served and to help our Mother Earth. Tama?
Yes, of course.
So, yung
Mother
mga pollution,
Nature.
mababawasan. Yan yung mga program na
See you
aming
later.
nadidiscover. Okay. Thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At ito, at tabi ko na po, Cyber Zone. Ayan. So, kakatapos lang ng kanilang event kanina and I am here in the outside of the mall. Baka ito kanilang mall entrance. At katabi ko naman ngayon Watson. Kanina SM Store, ngayon Watson. So, hindi ko na maintindihan kung anong segment tong palabas na ito. But anyway, that's the Cyber Zone, the logo. So, you just discover yung ating creation. Discover natin yung mga gadget, how they work. At ang aking natutunan ditong action ay talagang nagliliyab sa ganda ng serbisyo. When it comes to gadget, you need a phone for your school, personal, nandyan. Tamang presyo, kung anong hanap ng budget, nandyan. And of course, yung mga special freebies pagka ikaw ay bibili ng mga gadget, garantisado, matibay. So, Cyber Zone is the key. Here in SX sa Bumol. See you for my another video vlog in SMB Vlog Special. Note na po kayo in my Ninong TV. Subscribe in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and thank you. Cyber Zone. And this is Endless Play in SM Cyber Zone.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.